Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 8 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor will be the Muhle R41. You may already know about this razor. It is a pretty aggressive shaving razor. Let's take a look at it. It's smooth chrome on the head, and it has a hybrid open comb design. You can see those teeth, where if you're not careful, they might bite you once in a while. You need to treat it with some respect. And then work your way down. This is a tapered collar, smooth right here, chrome. And then knurling on the handle all the way from top to bottom with another collar at the bottom that has Muhle inscribed twice going around the collar. And then the very bottom is smooth chrome. I believe this razor is Zamac as well with a chrome plating. It is a 3-piece razor. Let's disassemble, remove the handle, top cap, safety bar. It comes with one Muhle blade, which in the paper right here, I'll remove that. There's a look at the blade. I'm going to pop that right over the post and the 2 pins like so. Reassemble top cap to safety bar. Reinstall the handle. Lock it down, check that reveal. The reveal is perfect on both sides. There's just a scotch, or a skinch as I would call it, of blade overhang. You can barely even see it. It's really nothing to even worry about. So that's what the top looks like. The specs on this razor, the R41, it weighs in at 2.2 ounces or 62 grams. Overall length from top to bottom is 3.75 inches. That's 3 3/4 inches or 95 millimeters. I'm going to perform a shave with this razor. I'm stretching the limits a bit today. It's supposed to be an everyday shave, meaning 1 or 2 day beard growth. I think I might be up to 3 on this. So, respectfully so, with this type of razor, you want to throw a heavier beard at it. Let's get to the shave. Shave Nation bowl. I'm going to soak it under the hot water, warm it up. The bowl is nice and warm. The shaving cream, Paraso Sandalwood. I'm going to remove the cap on this. You can see it's a very well-used tube, not much left, but there should be enough for a few more shaves in here. Just going to squirt it down, fill that lather spot at the bottom, like so. Not too much shaving cream in there. The brush, the Shave Nation Zebra brush right here. I love the look of this brush. It's pretty cool. Nice badger knot, fine badger. Just under the warm water, saturate those tips, saturate the whole brush. Give it a couple shakes. We'll go right in here, commence to lathering. Just press those tips right down into the bottom of the bowl, down into that lather spot. And before you know it, that shaving cream starts rising to the top. The creme de la creme rising to the top. A nice sandalwood scent on this shaving cream. Not too extreme like the Tobs, but still a nice mild scent that is pretty appealing to your olfactory system. The more you swirl those tips down in that lather spot, the thicker it gets. Look at that. Plenty of lather for a few passes right there. Okay, I've already taken a shower, which is the best pre-shave you can do. I'm just going to warm up my beard just a little bit. We'll get right to the shave. Okay, the beard is wet. Got the brush and the cream. Let's lather up. Start on the right side here. Work our way across. Just drive it into the beard. You can swirl it, you can twirl it, spin it, paint it, whatever you prefer. Some people say that swirling damages the brush, but I don't believe in that. I've been doing it forever. Never seen any problems in a brush. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the neck, clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. All right, here we go, wet fingers on the Muhle R41, loaded with a Muhle blade. Start on the right side, just cut that sideburn, work your way down. Oh, let's temper it under the hot water. I'll go hot water today. Just take your time with this razor. This thing is, treat it with some respect. Should only take 2 passes from the feel of it. Right down the neckline. Just the weight of the razor. Both sides full. Rinse that. Lots of stubble going down the drain. Rinses out very easily. Left side. Cut the sideburn. Other side. All right, filled up. Let's rinse that. Slight rinse to the face. Let's relather. Grab the brush and the bowl. Just a light coating of shaving cream this time. Clear the runways. All right, here we go, across the grain this time. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Very good. That's it, 2 passes. Baby smooth, cheeks, chin, neck. It's a beautiful thing. How do you feel about the mustache? The Top Gun mustache. Many like it, many don't like it. I think it's time for it to go. This razor might be just the thing to do it. Here we go. Right under the nose, we'll scoop down in there. Try doing that with a cartridge razor. Rinse that. Kind of gross. Look at all that stubble. Just a little cleanup. There you go. Adios mustache. The best part of facial hair, if you don't like it, you can shave it off and it will grow back pretty quickly. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Tighten the skin. Seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. Excellent finish to the shave, and it feels good going on too with the cold. It's almost like an ice cube. Good stuff. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. There you go. 2 passes, mustache removal. Took 1 pass, but then cleaned it up a little bit just to make sure I got everything. That's it. I can see my lip again. Pat the face dry. All right, let's try some of this. This is Cella. It's an organic aftershave lotion right here. We'll sprinkle in the fingertips. It's got a regulator so it comes out slow. Not too strong. Goes on cool. Nice light scent. Excellent summertime aftershave lotion. Very good. Cheeks, chin, mustache, neck, baby smooth. Let's take a final look at the razor, the Muhle R41. Not the biggest razor out there, but it is pretty aggressive. On Geofatboy's aggression scale, I'll give this razor a 9 on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being a straight razor or just using the blade by itself. This razor is pretty aggressive. If you have heavy beard growth and you shave every couple days, every 3 days, every 4 days, this is a great razor for you. If you shave every single day, you may want to go with the R89 instead. Might be better for you for everyday use. But for heavier, coarse beard growth, this is a ticket right here. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, R41, whatever you need, it'll pop right up. And please, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends my 460, almost 470 videos on shaving and more. Share the love of wet shaving, that's what it's all about. By the way, thank you all very much for your responses. Had over 300 plus comments about the video on the outro. I requested what you preferred between the Harley outro and the Tesla outro, and guess what? I threw in a trick in the bag. I followed somebody's advice and redid something, so check that out right here. I hope you enjoy. Thanks very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.